Hi guys, thanks for visiting Blocksee today. On this segment, we're going to look at how you can add Web3 login portals and just member activations to your existing website. So this is a really great time for anyone that has a community, either on social media or following on their website that they maybe want to have some kind of added utility for, like a membership portal or to offer them exclusive digital collectibles, things like that. You're going to be able to use Blocksee for all of that and all for free, which is like the best part. So we're going to dive in real quick to this overview page where we can see this test campaign that was set up. So if we pop into this campaign, we'll go ahead and see everything starts to load. We see our audience list of people who've connected to our website already, but we can just go over to this engagement page. And here you'll see the Blocksee Connect plugin. And so this is basically where you can customize a widget for your site and install that just using these snippet pieces of code. So really easy for anyone to get started. You don't have to be a Web3 expert or anything like that. You don't need any crazy developer or someone that you're working with to do things custom. This is just a copy and paste solution for anyone that wants to add Web3 utility to their website. And here you can see that you can choose like what you'd like in terms of button size. You have a couple customization options, including the type of font or text that you want on that button. You could set things like the color combos that you want for the site. So we'll grab this nice pink for Bloxy, and then we can go ahead and toggle whatever added utility we want to have. So if we want to just have a Web3 login button, we can do that here. If we want to add a user form so that people can opt in a little bit of data to carry into our CRM and populate our user profile so we can understand a little bit more of that off-chain information around our community, you can go ahead and do that here. And then for websites and brands that are looking to maybe host more of the communication with their customers on site rather than deferring that traffic and those analytics to Discord or Telegram and things like that, you can go ahead and enable a private token gated chat so you can control that directly on your website in one single branded environment that I think community members just tend to trust a little bit more. And then you can also enable a marketplace. So if you want to, instead of having to paste everything or directing your traffic to OpenSea, you can have everyone just come directly to your site to engage with the NFTs that you're creating using Blocksee, as well as just things that you want to make available to the community. And these could be coupons, tickets, things like that. And you'll even see this ticket module here as well, which we're adding here as well. So you can definitely have a lot to just kind of start with in terms of getting your feet wet in Web3, understanding how you can kind of position your current Web2 audience to engage with Web3 a little bit more without them having to know actually all that much about it or even how it works. So we're trying to make this as user-friendly as possible. And just to see kind of what this would look like or how you'd install it, so we just take this JavaScript snippet and pop over to our softer site. You can see that we can go ahead and view the header code. So you're just going to go and access whatever kind of website platform you're using. You want to just access the header code. You can see that here we have this injected. So you can see that this was copied in. Once they have that installed, now you just go to the landing page. That's just something that you'd have to do one time just to sync up the site. And this will inform Blocksee about like the type of site style. So it'll copy whatever font types and kind of brand kit that you have for your website and just have that included directly into this iframe that you're installing. So now if we pop over to the page that we're trying to actually place this activation on, and here you can see that this kind of blank block here, this is actually where we'd want to inject the actual HTML snippet. So that would be the second box down here. You're going to just take that, copy and paste onto the landing page that you want this on. And that's it. That's literally all you need to do. So you just hit publish. And now you're going to have a really cool, easy to use connect wallet button on your site. So this is just a Web2 site that we're using. Any kind of HTML site builder, WordPress, anything like that will work. And now you can see that this connect wallet button is embedded on my website so that users can come in and connect their wallet directly. So I can come in with MetaMask, say, okay, I want to connect to this member portal to see some exclusive offers that I might have based on my community participation or past purchases that I've made from this website. And so now that I've logged in, I can see a user form where I can intake some of the information or provide some of the information so that this brand can understand a little bit more about me or contact me via email for like call to actions or claimables, things like that. I also now have access to a private chat, so I can go ahead and communicate directly with this brand. So I can say, thanks for having me in the community, Blocksee, and I'll just send that. And so now this is part of our group chat, but we can also have direct chats if you want to use this for like customer support tickets, things like that. It's a really great solution. And then you also have this marketplace option. So you can see this is a Lazy Mint test NFT that we built on Blocksee that we made available in our marketplace so that people coming to our site can log in and claim this right away. And you can imagine doing all kinds of things with coupons, with raffle tickets, with event tickets, with all kinds of things that you can offer to your community that would just be a digital asset. Even if this is like a voucher for a physical good, you can have them claim things like that. So really excited to see how you guys get creative with it, what you guys are going to be placing on your websites, all the artists that are making content, to see kind of how you guys will token gate that and create a really direct sales channel for you and your audience. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach us at info@bloxy.co. We'd love to see what you guys are doing and help how we can. But yeah, this is just a really quick demo of how you can just take 2 copy and paste and add Web3 to your existing Web2 website. Really cool. It's free to use. If you want to sign up for a free account and get started with all these tools, just visit us at bloxy.co to get started. Thanks again for your time and see you around. Thanks. Bye.